sometimes we get them in the other prices like for future years. Sometimes we get them. It depends on how fast it's selling at the top. Like when it was Orangeburg.
You never Disney themed bracelet. This was my first bracelet that someone got for me a very, very long time ago. And all of my charms have a different meaning. So this one is my boyfriend is studying aerospace. So we got a little airplane Mickey.
That is really cute.
Yeah, that one is one of my favorite ones. I feel like it's the most personal. This one's for Tiana's. This one is when I first got this job at Hollywood Studios. It's a Hollywood Studios exclusive. It's a little 35th anniversary. This one is my Little Lady and the Tramp charm, which is one of my favorite charms on my bracelet. This one was my first one, the classic stitch. And then I have my little Remy, my favorite Marie, and then a little birthday charm I got last year. Has happy birthday on the bottom, and then this one is a little Winnie the Pooh charm, and it says it's not what you have, it's who you have. And so those are like my top 5 charms I have in my center. And then here I have all my Halloween charms. So when it comes to Halloween time, I take these off and I put them on their own bracelet. It's my favorite time of year. My little poison apple, I got Oogie Boogie, little spooky Mickey, Ursula, Mickey, Minnie, and the little pumpkin, and then my Jack and Sally. And that completes it.
Would you be able to show me the new Star Wars?
Yeah, absolutely. I actually have all of my Star Wars over here, but I can go ahead and take them out for you.
And do you have... Oh, I was just going to ask. Is this for sale?
It is. It's 15 and it's park exclusive. It's a little clasp opener. Take open your bracelet. So we have the little baby Grogu in rose gold. We have the Mando head in silver. The Falcon with the little Star Wars tag. And then this one's my all-time favorite, the little walker. His little legs move. And then this one released for May the 4th. It's the little R2-D2 charm.
Is that a clip?
He is, yeah. It is a clip. So you can protect your charms at the same time with all his cuteness and glory. Are you a big Star Wars fan? Oh, these are super cool. Is this your Star Wars bracelet?
I have a Star Wars bracelet and a Hollywood Studios.
Oh, heck yeah. Oh, this one's so cute.
That represents the Little Mermaid
yes.
show that we used to have here.
Oh, I used to have this charm and I lost it so long ago and I miss it. I'm so glad you have it. Is that Mushu?
Yep, remember the Mushu art animation studio?
Oh my goodness,
the drawing one that they
yes!
used to have here? Yeah.
Oh, these ones are cute.
I remember when it
the
was
Toy
MGM
Store.
Studios.
Yes.
All the way back then.
A while back, yes. You have your little... Oh, is this the other Runaway? Oh my goodness. Now you need your new Runaway to kind of compare it to.
I just saw that.
Yeah, the new one is like bright red. But it's so funny that you have the old one. You can see the progression. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. Hollywood Pandora. Oh my goodness. This is like a little sorcerer Mickey.
Yep.
Oh my
gosh. They used to have the sorcerer hat in front of the Chinese.
Yes, yeah, the huge, yeah. I love that. We have the sorcerer hat by itself too. This one, I feel like there's lots of good additions.
Yeah, I have that on another charm.
Oh, absolutely. That's super fun. I love your bracelet.
I was thinking about a Muppet charm because I know they're going to get rid of the Muppet.
They are, yeah.
So I need something for my Hollywood Studios bracelet to represent that ride. And my Star Wars bracelet is jam-packed.
Yeah, she is.
So I'm thinking about another Star Wars bracelet.
Okay. We do have, you have the old Star Wars bracelet with this clasp. Yeah. We do have the Rebel Alliance. Yeah. So I feel like that would be a good one.
That.
Yeah. I'm gonna grab that one on the other side for you. Let me see. I'll be right back already. They have this one that's park exclusive. It's a little castle, the pixie dust. And then this one is the most popular with your bracelet. I feel like it complements the clasp. I have this one on my bracelet because it opens up like a clip, and I feel like I like that a little bit more instead of it moving around the edges.
I didn't see this.
You know the size that you would get? I grabbed a 7'9" so that you have space, because I see you like to wear a lot of charms. But if you need a smaller or a bigger size, just let me know. Would you stack it with this?
I would stack it probably with the other Star Wars bracelet.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, I think that would be a good size so you can still wear it with all the other ones and you still have your space. It's so cool because you have all the older Star Wars and then you can start like your new version. That's awesome.
That is pretty blank.
You can see the progression. That's super cool. I think that one's perfect. And then you have the R2-D2s that can be your little clips on there. All right, perfect.
Wonderful.
I'll grab you a brand new clasp.
Can you see them? I can't wear the bracelet balls, so.
It's so funny. Your collection in comparison is so funny. I love it. I can't wait to see all the new Star Wars that you like have to compare. I can see why you left the Grogu. You have the one here. Yeah. Super cool. I love it.
And
I'll grab you a new one.
thank you.
All right, perfect.
So it's one day later, home from the parks, and I have my bracelets off, and I thought it would be nice to do an up close because it was kind of loud in the store and hard to see my bracelets up close. So I wanted to wear my new bracelet design on and in the park. I didn't, you know, if I would have thought it through, I could have brought a safety chain from home and I could have got that beautiful Grogu. I didn't even think about that. I thought about it later after the fact, and yeah, I was kicking myself. I was like, oh my gosh, why didn't I do that? So, note to self, bring a spare safety chain. Never know if I'm gonna pick up a new bracelet in the park, and then I could have just picked up another charm. So, here is the R2-D2 clip. And while we were walking around, I was thinking to myself, oh, do I go and build the robot today? No, because I dropped a couple hundred at Pandora. So I was like, should have planned that better. But we still had a fabulous time. And the robot would have probably just been tormenting the dogs. So I don't know how the dogs would feel about the robot. This is so cute. I only picked up one because there's only one R2-D2. That's how that works in my brain. So because there's two safety, this is a 7.9 Rebel Alliance bracelet. So when I start filling this up, I'm gonna get, I'll put two safety clips on and I'll use R2 for another spot on my bracelet somewhere else. And I have the AT-AT Walker. And we did ride the Rise of the Resistance. We did single rider, and we didn't sit together because the lines are really long, and we got on really quick. But that ride is very immersive, and they have the huge walkers in there, AT-AT walkers, and those are so cool. But it will tell you, we went on Star Tours, and the first time ever, and it's randomized, I was selected as the rebel spy. So if you know, you know. That was hilarious. I was the rebel spy on that ride. I love all the blue bling, the blue CZs on the Rebel Alliance bracelet as well. And let's see here, Pandora, and the other side says Disney Parks. And then it says Lucasfilms Limited, LFL. And I have a bracelet, a video on my Hollywood Studios bracelet, but I did add the Mickey and Minnie Muranos I picked up from Ooh La La, and I thought that these Muranos would work well on this bracelet because of the sparkle, and the sparkle I was thinking would be like the glitz and the glamour of yesterday's Hollywood. I really enjoyed it back when it was MGM Studios and they still had that tour train, that tour ride where they took you behind the scenes. That was fun. And they had the water tower. They had the big water tower with Mickey Mouse up there with this clap, I think it's called the clapboard. That old-time Hollywood feel. Really enjoyed that. And I have my Star Wars bracelet. It is really jam-packed. There's a couple spots on it, but it's heavy. And it's full, and I don't want it to stretch, so I don't think I'm going to put anything more on it. I do have a video on this one as well. I'll be on the lookout for another one of these safety chains. I thought it was perfect. The star and the moon for galactic. Or if I could find something similar to represent, you know, Star Wars.
I think that would be a cool representation to go on the Rebel bracelet. But for now, I'll just keep the one that I got on there. I didn't go on May the 4th because I know that they were going to be packed and would be very hard to walk around that park because it's a small park and they would be crowded, so wouldn't have been able to get on many rides or have much have a dining experience or anything like that. So anyway, do you have a favorite Star Wars character? Do you have a favorite Star Wars charm? Are you collecting Star Wars? I am still on the lookout for C-3PO. I know it was an epic fail that I didn't pick him up. I'm sure he'll turn up. I'm sure he will turn up for me. Have a great one. Thanks for watching.